All right, guys, welcome back. Process for Profits, all service business, all success. I am Purry, and today I want to discuss some of the struggles I had starting my company. I was posed a question, and I thought the question valuable enough to make a series of videos. And I'm going to call the series Struggle Series. And essentially, the very first struggle I had was obtaining the proper insurance. A lot of you guys will find that when you start, you won't get general liability, or at least what I was being told was you haven't started a business before, you haven't owned a business before, you haven't done this business before. You need at least a year. So I was losing insurmountable amounts of money and contracts because I couldn't get this one form. So we were driving down the street one day and hungry, and it was a veteran-owned business. I'm a veteran, Air Force veteran, so I like to support veteran-owned businesses. So I pull over, we go to the restaurant. And the owner of the restaurant, the gentleman, was a Marine. And we're just talking back and forth. He has a lot of similarities with my brother, who's a Marine as well. Or was, he's out now, but they're simplify always. And turns out his wife was there. And just detailing some of my struggles, I was asking him, well, how did you get this insurance and that? And his wife is actually an insurance broker. And that is actually how I obtained my insurance. So I went from losing insurmountable amounts of contracts to brokering with this lady that I met because I was hungry for lunch, and I went into this restaurant, and to this day I still have insurance with her. The company is still insured by her. And that's big because had I not taken that time to even start a business, I wouldn't have needed insurance. And because I went here and I was willing to talk about the problems that I was having and the struggles that I was hitting on the road to success, I was honest with this guy. It was like the insurance angel dropped right out of the sky. And from that day, I went on to make, I was somewhere around 30, 40. And I eclipsed 100 after that, after meeting her and him. So I say all that to say this: you're gonna hit some road bumps, you're gonna hit some struggles in the road, but you gotta keep going, and you gotta be honest. Every business owner you meet, you tell them, this is where I'm at, this is what I'm going through, this is what I'm doing, and somebody somewhere will be able to help you. So yeah, don't protect your success so much that you block a blessing that's right there in front of you. Be willing to be honest with everybody you meet, and somehow, some way, you'll get that next step to being successful. So if you guys found any value in this content, hit the likes button, subscribe button. Sorry, it's kind of loud. I'm very close to McCarran. And look forward to the next video. I think in the next video I'm gonna detail how I tackled my first post-construction job and the struggles I had with that one, and then my second one, which was the hotel, and the struggles I had with that one. And we're just gonna go on, and maybe every week I'm gonna do a struggle series video so that you guys know it's not all gravy. Like, it don't just start at the top. When I started, I took off partly because I was committed to it, and a lot of the other business owners had become uncommitted, I'm assuming, or didn't figure out a way to cross all those hurdles, but it's worth it. So again, stay tuned, be on the lookout. It's 2020. Change your life, change your circumstances, do something different, because that same shit you're doing, it ain't gonna work from this day going forward. So peace.